Yo, good morning. It is I wanted to come out here and record this, and a couple of my other posts and my other videos you might have heard me talk about the field, right? So the field was a place where I used to come to when I was homeless, 4.5, 5 years homeless. There would be times where I needed a place to come and just sit, you know. And this field here is where I would come just to think, get away, manifest, express my gratitude. And the thing about this place is that is pretty desolate. No one really comes out here, right? I would go right there, like out in the middle, and at nighttime I'd be out here until I go to a parking lot I would go to sleep, and I would be out here, 11:30, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. No way, there's nobody coming out here. I mean, 12 would patrol the area, but there's no lights out here. You can't see anything. I'd be there, and you can't see anything, right? So one thing about this field is that it's so real, because I would come out here and I would just give gratitude for the things that I had in my life at the time, right? You know what? I remember one time, it was during COVID. I got sick, and I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure I had COVID. I was sick as a dog, and I was out here for 3 days. Nobody, and I'm talking about around this time. It was hot. It was like 90 degree days, and I was going. I could not walk, could not get up. I slept. I had to sleep. I didn't have any energy. I mustered up some energy to go to like CVS, grab me some, some cough syrup and some cold, some flu medicine and stuff for headaches and body aches, and came back out here, and I would, so that was that. So that's how real this place is, and it brings back a lot of memories. Like, I come here often just to reflect on where I was and where I'm at now. Where I'm at now is not where I want to be, but let me express to you how real God is and how real manifesting and being grateful is, because I would come out here and I would give thanks for what I had, and I would ask God to, I just want to be I just want a roof over my head, 4 walls, a place where I can take my kids to, a place where I can, because I was homeless. I didn't have a place to bring my kids, so I could only see them for a couple of hours on the weekends, and I had to take them back to and drop them back off. And I manifested that. I would see it, and here I am. I mean, things might not happen when you want to, but it happens when God, the plan is on God's time, right? It might not be on your time, but He gives things to you when you're ready for it. So I live in a casita right now. I got a roof over my head. I got a place to bring my kids. It's not where I want to stay. I'm manifesting, and I'm being grateful, and I'm thankful for the things I have in my life today. But I want to have my own house, like I did before, a place where my kids can have their own rooms, a place where they can grow, and it's mine. It's something that I worked for and bought, and be proud of it. So I say that to say this, yo. This is my field, right? This is a place where I came to think, gather my thoughts, give thanks to the Most High, be grateful. And I just want to know, what is your field? Like, your field don't have to be a literal field, but what if it's you go into the bathroom to get away from whoever, to think, to manifest, to have some time by yourself. Maybe it's you take a walk when you got things are weighing on you, on your shoulders, and you got to go out and take a walk around the block or around whatever. your field could be a multitude of things, but I want to know, what is your field? And whatever it is, just know that that's not the place where your dreams die. This is the place where your dreams, your manifestations, your aspirations are planted and seeded in soil, and they grow and they produce and they manifest into the things that you want. I want to know what your field is. So, yeah. One, I'll see you tomorrow.